Yeah, first of all, regarding sa first win against Ginebra, after 5 years, no? So, before we got yung first win namin. But before the start of the game, sa practice, we talk about na it's beatable pa rin yung Ginebra, even though na we haven't beaten them for the past 5 years, 14 games yata, to be exact. But we have yung game na what kind of game is that?
Fast pace, up tempo.
Hindi yung
Young.
before the start of the last year conference, we beat the Ginebra sa out of town games against sa Ginebra against at Batangas
On
City.
tour.
On tour, DB on tour. So sabi nga, yun lang. That's a game na we mentioned na beatable yung Ginebra, and again we challenge yung players namin na yung tonight's game, no, it's a statement game for us. Everyone's questioning about yung status ng team, na hindi kami naanal sa mga big teams. So I hope with this win, we prove na we're here to win games, no? And we're here to be competitive, na hindi yung basta-basta na team lang.